All right, thanks, Mike. Are you worried about your teens' dating habits? Maybe they're spending less time with friends and family and too much time with their partner.
Well, don't worry. Relationship expert Nancy Pena is here with advice for parents who want to help their teen establish good dating habits. Good morning to you, Nancy.
Good morning. How are you doing?
Good, good. Appreciate you being here early. So what's the first step? I mean, what do we look for warning signs?
Well, I think the first step is to model positive relationship behavior for your kids, because that's what they're going to naturally be gravitating towards, is what they see at home day in and day out. So when they can see you communicating well with each other, when they can see that you can resolve conflicts, when they can see that you forgive each other when hurt feelings happen, and when they can see that you treat each other with mutual love and respect for each other, and you trust each other, that's what they will take into their dating habits.
So what happens if they're in a single-parent household?
Well, they can also, how they treat each other, the teen treats the parent and the parent treats the teen, when they can trust and respect each other, those types of relationships will develop in their dating life.
Okay, so my mom always tells me, see how he treats his mom, and that's how he's going to treat you. So I'm guessing there's some truth to that.
Oh, of course there is.
Okay, so tell us about the warning signs.
The warning signs. Someone who is very jealous of the time that they spend away from that teen is a huge red flag. Someone who's trying to isolate them and take them away from friendships, from their homework, from family time, from just even having some solitude. You want to make sure that your teen knows that it's just another life realm. It doesn't take away the foundation of their life. That's just an addition to, and that they should continue these friendships and their family time when they're dating.
And what would you do? Encourage parents to include the partner, the significant other in events?
Absolutely, but also you need to kind of monitor how much they're texting each other and their social media habits, and just to make sure it's going in the right direction. And it's not a matter of not trusting your teen, but you're just guiding and mentoring them in the right direction for a good relationship pattern to develop.
You know, Nancy, how young is too young to start dating, or to allow your teenager to start dating? Because, you know, a lot of times they think they know everything in the whole world, and, you know, really they're young-minded.
They are, and I think parents should really decide between themselves what is a good age, because every child is different and they all mature at a different rate. But some of them are dating very, very young, like 13, 14, and that's still much too young. The longer you can wait, the better.
All right, so keep an eye out, and you know your child best.
Yes, you do.
All right, Nancy, thanks so much for coming in.
Thank you for having me.
All right,